How do I get a refund with these stupid Planet Watch credits? What up guys, Malong6 here and welcome to my crypto channel. If you guys are watching this, it's probably because you got a refund from Planet Watch and you got your refund in Planet Watch credits rather than back in the same method that you paid for them. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys that maybe you no longer want these credits, and instead of spending them on different Planet Watch devices, you would rather just get back your cash that you originally could have done, but you decided to get credits instead. So today we're going to be showing you how to do that. Let's get started. All right guys, so right here we have Tinyman loaded up. Now if you want to do this on your PC, make sure that you have algo signer all set up and stuff. If you do not know how to do that, definitely check out this video. Anyways, now that we got this all set up for algo signer, let's go ahead and go to tinyman.org. Go ahead and launch Tinyman. Now this is actually where you're able to trade anything on the Algorand chain. So you could trade algo, you can trade Planet Watch tokens, you can trade Planet Watch credits. So let me show you how to do it. What you need to do is make sure you connect your algo sign real quick. So I'm gonna do that. You can connect any of these as well if you have them. And let's go ahead and grant access to Tinyman. Okay, so you can see I have Algorand right here. What you're going to do is that click the from, unless you're trying to buy credits. So click the from, and then go ahead, and you're not going to see it right here. So go ahead and click see all. Now you're going to have to unhide unverified assets, and then you can type in PW for Planet Watch, and your credit should pop up right here. So you can see that I got 300 Planet Watch credits for refunding my Aware element, which is actually right there. Now I still love the Aware, but it just stinks that you can no longer earn passive income with it. So it's just sitting there and helping me make good quality air. But let's go ahead and focus on selling of the Planet Watch credits. So I got 300 credits for the Type 4 license refund. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, check out this video. All right, so we're just going to give a click on that, and then you have two options. Now there's not a lot of supply if you want to trade them directly to algo. See right here, and if I want to hit max, I'm gonna get about $23 worth, and yeah, it's not very good. So what I suggest doing, instead of trading it directly to algo, go ahead and actually transfer it over to planets. Go ahead and max it out, and you'll see that you get $25 for 300 Planet Watch credits. So yeah, right here you may decide never mind, it is honestly not worth it, and I don't blame you, since this is a $300 gift card practically to Planet Watch devices, and then you're only going to get paid about $25 for $300 gift card. So I definitely understand if you decide not to do it anymore, but at least I showed you how to do it. That way at least you know your options, you know. So let me know in the comments down below what you think. I think I might end up hanging on to them because I thought it was going to be maybe I could get $100 for 300, but for $25 I'm not going to give them 300 Planet Watch credits. But yeah, anyways guys, let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you would like to know how to go the next step, where you send this to your crypto exchange and then you go ahead and send it to your bank account, then definitely check out this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I did want to give a shout out to my charity of choice, which is Extra Life. Extra Life is a awesome charity where they have been helping sick and injured kids for years now, helping them pay off their medical bills and such. So click the link in the description if you would like to support these sick and injured kids. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments down below if there's any other questions you have with Planet Watch, the Aware element. If you want to check out my gaming channel, definitely check that out, and I'll see you guys next time. And as always, stay safe, trade safe, and God bless. Peace. Stop beeping while I'm trying to record a freaking video. How do I do this? Do not disturb. Good. All right, let's record a stupid video.